Gawin niyo yung inyong yung inyong trabaho na mag-produce ng yarn kasi ako ang unang victim ng Filfida. Ako, my own experience. I have a weaving center, I stopped it kasi I cannot afford the imported yarn anymore. It's too expensive. Sana ma-develop nyo na competitive yung yarn natin sa Philippines. Can you do that? And ano yung budget nyo to promote more planting and production of yarn para yung mga weaving centers can have yarn, raw materials para i-weave. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Sana doon na lang mag-focus yung Filfida doon sa planting, yung pag-develop mismo ng fiber, and let the other agencies do their perspective jobs. For example, like yung weaving, I think si DSWD, meron silang mga SLP programs, pwedeng dun ho, DTI, meron din ho, diba? But yung, kumbaga kanya-kanya tayong trabaho, kasi with limited budget nga, let us, kumbaga, concentrate, or for example, yung bamboo, napakalaki ho ng potential niya for fabric, which sana dun mag-concentrate si Filfida.